The state of Maharashtra is among the fastest growing states in India and thus needs an improved transportation network more than ever. Hence, the NHAI embarked upon a program to develop the fastest route of 138 kilometers between Pune and Nasik. This was a first of its kind project which aimed to connect these major cities through a Golden Triangle project. The National Highway Authority of India has entrusted the execution and completion of 4-laning of Khed-Sinnar section of NH60 from 42 kilometers to 177 kilometers under NHDP Phase 4 in the state of Maharashtra on DBFOT basis to Messrs Khed-Sinnar Expressway Limited, an SPV formed by IL&FS Transportation Networks Limited. The Khed-Sinnar section is important for its strategic value as part of Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor, thus connects major commercial towns like Khed, Manchar, Narayangaon, Alipheta, Sangamaner and Sinnar.
The COD of this project was unique because this is the first project where all project facilities have been provided prior to COD.
In the first phase of this project, IL&FS Transportation has developed a 137.946 kilometer long section on NH60. The section is converted into a 4-lane road for the ease of commercial traffic movement, widening the existing 2-lane to 4-lane divided carriageway facility, including strengthening of the existing 2-lane, along with project facilities such as rest area, truck laybys with inbuilt toilets, bus bays with shelters, highway illumination all along the habitation areas.
The making of the project was very difficult because there were a lot of geometric corrections required in this project. Road passes through the rolling terrain and hilly terrain, and we had to do a lot of geometric corrections in this project.
The construction of Chandanapuri Ghat section of the road, which is in total length of 5.5 km, was a unique challenge and is an engineering marvel. The construction involves high earthwork with large blasting activity and filling up of mammoth-sized 3 deep valleys, thereby easing the traffic movement.
The difficult part of this project was Chandanapuri Ghat, where there were a lot of waterfalls. So we have designed the road in such a way that no waterfall is affected into this road. And we have also seen that the natural drainage is taken care of while aligning this Chandanapuri Ghat.
ITNL has developed world-class infrastructure for road users and instant collection of toll. The toll collection has been divided into 2 sections. One is in between Narayangaon and Alipheta, and the other is in between Chandanapuri and Sangamner town, each covering 69 km stretch.
We have provided staggered toll plaza. So this has not only avoided the additional land acquisition which is being done for other projects, but we have accommodated these 2 plazas in 60-meter available ROW.
3 plazas are of 12 lanes, out of which 2 lanes for over-dimensional vehicles and 4 lanes for ETC, means Electronic Toll Collection System. For instant and automatic toll collection, ITNL has installed radio frequency identification device capable of storing vehicles' details in it. This system allows faster, non-stop passage of vehicle and no manpower is required for collection of toll. Each toll plaza has dedicated 2 ETC lanes and 2 mixed-mode ETC lanes. The complete toll plaza is under strict video surveillance. These cameras have visibility range up to radius of 1 kilometer. To restrict overloading, plazas have installed weigh-in motion in each lane. This system helps controlling overweight of the vehicles by charging appropriate penalty. Along with it, static weigh bridges have also been placed on each side of toll plazas. It helps weigh in standalone mode for accurate weight of the vehicle for satisfaction of the user. This toll plaza is totally electronic and centrally operated by control room. Automatic Vehicle Classification System automatically counts and classifies the vehicle category and records all the data in case of any discrepancy by ticket collector. The classification is done by laser measurement sensor for height and size, induction loop sensor, axle sensor, double wheel detect sensor. The system also provides facility to pay toll through credit card, payment portal and FASTag, etc. A 24-hour ambulance stands ready for any eventuality with paramedical officer and nurse for instant aid. The patrolling vehicles are constantly on the move, providing assistance and safety. ITNL has not just been involved in development of the roads, but has also undertaken the maintenance of the roads. These steps have helped ITNL to improve its operations to keep traffic flow smooth and keeping the environment clean. Under this motto, ITNL has achieved another landmark by completing the Khed Sinar section of National Highway number 60.